For this project, we're going to look at the median household income in the major counties, well, cities in New York City. To do that, we're going to open up our Excel file, median household income. I'm going to import that. And then here you see we have our data source. We're going to create our first sheet to start the project, which will show us all of the over the 3 years from 2013 to 2017, the average household income across the geographic areas in New York. So the different counties, Richmond County, New York County, Queens County, Kings County, Flushing County, and so on, just to give you an idea how it goes over the years. So we're going to display it by year so you can see how it's scaled and increased and decreased over the years. So for our first sheet, we're going to start. We're going to take geography and we're going to put that in rows. So here you see the counties that we're going to be looking at. Next, we're going to take the sum of household incomes, and we're going to put that in the column section. So now you see a really nice picture. It shows you the income levels for total income levels for these 4 counties. But we want to do it by year, so we got to make it drill down to it a little bit so we can see a little bit more data and exactly what it is that we are looking for and want to see. So we're going to put the ID year in the column section. So we don't need the show me, so we'll take that out the way. So now you see we have it set by year. So 2013, 14, 15, 16, and 17. We have all of the years set out where you can see the different median income levels throughout the different counties. And it also checks what it was at the United States, what the average was around the United States, measuring that against the different counties. To make this a little bit more readable, we're gonna put this in order from lowest to highest. So now you can see, if you look at it, the Bronx County in 2013, or really across from 2013 to 2017, was the lowest, had the lowest income level of 33,000, and New York, which comprises of Manhattan, really had the highest. Second lowest on the list was Kings County, which is Brooklyn, and then conversely, the second highest in New York was Richmond County. Now, to make this a little bit more readable and just user-friendly, we're going to show the different labels so you can see the actual numbers here, so to give you a better idea. So we're going to click Show Marks and show all labels. You see the difference. When we show the marks, it only shows certain counties, but when we do overlaps, it shows us all the data that we want to see. Next, we want to clean this up a little bit. So we're going to clear some of the title. Well, first let's title this. Let's delete this here. We're going to say this is median income level in New York County by year. Center that, we'll make this bold. All right, we'll apply that. Perfect. We don't really need this anymore because we're not going to be working with this, so we'll remove these. We'll hide the cards. So great. So, and this is basically, this is our graph. So what it shows us, you can see, is what the income levels are, how it's easily readable, shows you all across. As you can see, income level in New York, in the county of New York, which is Manhattan, has increased year over year, as well as in Kings County, which is Brooklyn, where I currently reside, it has also increased year over year. So basically, if you want to look at this at a quick glance, you can say that you can make an assessment and say that income levels have increased across all the counties in New York, from 2013 over to 2017.